Hello. Welcome to an OBS tutorial on how to add a widget. First things first, if you guys just want to leave a like and comment down below for me for the algorithm, I would really appreciate it. And the next thing I'm going to go ahead and do is head over into the OBS website or look up OBS widgets, and then it'll take you here into the obsproject.com. And then as you see, it'll take you to the widget catalog, which I just chose one that I wanted. Let's say I want this widget right here, right? Once I go ahead and change it to how I want, let's say I wanted it to be a different font. Say I wanted it to be this font, right? I go ahead and press apply. And then I would just take this right here, go into my OBS, add a browser, I suppose. Well, not I suppose. You go ahead and add a browser source. Not I suppose. Sorry, I don't. It's not a suggestion. If you want to do this, this is how you do it. And then just go ahead and press OK. And now that widget is on my OBS, and I could just go ahead and have that in the corner for people to look at if I kind of wanted to. If you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, make sure to put them down below. Other than that, have a wonderful day.